Today we are at the Quilt show. We take you along. Welcome to the large line. It happened that for this vlog we got a little bit of time off and we went downtown Eureka to find that was a quilt show just happening. It was a surprise because we totally didn't expect it. This was the 18th annual show and there were quilts from Northwestern America, Canada, and some were international. There are hundreds of quilts hanged everywhere. Every business was proud to show off these quilts. The entire show was held on more than a mile. Left and right, businesses or parks, they're filled with quilts hanging on any single place you could think of. I have to say that was a nice and relaxing day for us. We've been working for 2 months and building our own cabin with our own hands, and we are kind of tired. We needed a little bit of break. Now we went into the Montana Pharmacy, which is a very old building that's been restored to be an old-style pharmacy. Brings you up to 1800s, where you could find these potions and lotions made by local people with local ingredients.
This is the original ceiling right there.
It was a bank and then what?
It was a bank and it was actually a dentist's office as well at some point. And the floors are also original, which is why you can hear every single one of your steps.
It's nice store.
Thank you.
Now walking back on the streets, I found my favorite quilt. This is it, the horse. Beautiful. This is for sale for $6,500. We are in historical village in Eureka, and you can find different types of building that include school, the church, a store, a library, a train station too. It is an entire set of buildings that were used in 1800s or maybe earlier too. And of course, quilts are still in display everywhere. Now we're heading over to the school. This is the church, and I love this little rock to hold the door. As you can see, this is the library, and we've seen some very rare things around, magazines, things you forget about. When my husband touches things, he actually talks to them, asks them how they're doing, and trying to feel their energy or trying to give them energy. He's very handy and he's very sensitive. I love that about my husband. I think this is the second best one. The horse is still my favorite. And now the general store where you can find anything you can imagine. At that time was very interesting, I think. And look at this dress, is all made of lace. Who knows how long someone was working on this one. Of course, this is made with real skin. I had to touch it. There were a lot of curiosities laying around, and this my grandmother used to have. My husband found the perfect washer and dryer. As you know, we are off grid for now, and I think I need both of them. And again, my husband touched something. Probably he said, "How you doing, old man?" Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share, subscribe, and see us next time.